What in the world is this guy doing with a rake in the ocean? Stay tuned and find out next on the Tripidoo Traveler. This is the Tripidoo Travelers Caribbean Cruise 2023, Part 3. We're in Costa Maya, Mexico. It was a beautiful, sunny, but partly cloudy day when we got off the boat. And the first thing we noticed was the wind was absolutely insane. Just like in Honduras, it was blowing pretty hard, and the water had a lot of wave action. It wasn't surfable, but it certainly looked beautiful. The one thing I love about traveling and going to new places, especially getting off the boat, is those first few minutes when you see just how different things are. They're not like home, and it's beautiful to be there, and just having that experience is really wonderful. After taking our traditional picture on the pier, we were met with some locals dressed up in Aztec garb, and it was pretty extravagant. I'm pretty sure the bright colors and absolute intricacy of the outfits were more for tourists than anything else, but it was really nice to see. So for this port visit, our destination was a resort called Maya Chan. It was about 30 miles away by bus on a very desolate road, but it made for a very interesting travel. The place was very serene, calm, and quiet, and each group had their own private cabana with tables, chairs, hammocks, and just their own personal place to relax. So that's exactly what we did. As strange as it sounds, I've never been in a hammock, so I had to try it out. Relaxed for a little while, enjoyed it. They had some games we tried out, like the incredibly giant Jenga, which we played for a little while but had to stop once lunch was served. And we never got back to it, unfortunately. Okay, so as I mentioned in the intro, there was a guy with a rake in the ocean, and at first it made absolutely no sense. But when we asked, apparently what he was doing was trying to rake up all the seaweed and all the gunk that was right by the water's edge. I figured they were trying to do this to make it nicer to swim, but you could see just how much of a waste of time it was. I mean, there's a lot of ocean and there's a lot of seaweed. Thanks for trying, but it seemed kind of strange. So we spent several hours relaxing on the beach, hanging out, talking, drinking pina coladas and sex on the beach, and just having a lot of fun. But eventually our time ran out and we had to head back to the boat. So that was Costa Maya, Mexico. Stay tuned for part 4 where we go to Cozumel. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like and subscribe if you can, and we'll see you next time. Keep exploring.